Umiiyak umano ang aktres na si Kylene Alcantara matapos itong mapanood ang statement na nilabas ni Jackie Forster. Ito ay ayon sa nilabas na article na pep.ph. Ayon sa nakasulat, di umano'y may nakakita sa aktres na umiyak ito sa taping ng All Out Sundays. Samantala, naglabas naman ng statement ang management ni Kylene na Sparkle GMA Artist Center. Ayon sa GMA Artist Center ay gusto na umanong mag-move on ni Kylene mula sa issue. Bahagi pa din ng pahayag ay umaasa umano si Kylene na naway makamove on na umano ang lahat at tuluyan ng matapos ang kontrobersyang kanyang kinasasangkutan. Kylene would like to move on with this issue. She has chosen to keep her peace and maintain the respect for the people who have been part of her life. She hopes we can all move on and put this issue to rest. Ayon naman sa ilan ay tila natakot umano si Kylene sa banta ng ina ni Kobe Paras na si Jackie Forster. Kung matatandaan, may bahagi ng statement ni Jackie na handa umano siyang maglabas din ng pruweba kung kinakailangan.
So to Kylene, her family, the toxic fans, please don't insult the efforts we have made to build our family by playing victim. If you're a victim, you're the victim of your own doing. Your actions have consequences. For someone who is supposed to be a mental health advocate, it bothers me to know that you have been playing with Kobe's mental health throughout your relationship. I will leave the many incriminating stories of why Kobe found it incredibly difficult to trust you between the both of you, unless you make it necessary for me to do it in the future. And I'm praying that doesn't happen. So yes, we too, Kylene, we keep proof. Sana nga, hindi na kailangan i-share. So you can all judge and hate my son for moving on so seemingly fast. But I think that's better than loving someone for pretending to be somebody that they're not.
Let's be honest, the statement is diplomatic on the surface, pero kung titignan mo yung timing, parang more of let's not escalate kesa let's clear the air. Ang linis ng wording, no denial, no clarification, no accountability. Just a general call for peace, which is fine kung walang binabato na issue. Pero after nung cryptic post ni Jackie Forster about receipts and manipulation, including the video she posted, parang suddenly, Kylene's side is all about respect and peace. Kung walang tinatago, bakit biglang pa-calm mode? To me, this reads less like rising above the drama and more like strategic silence. Ayaw na lang patulan kasi baka mas maraming lumabas or baka ayaw na lang talaga pag-usapan kasi hindi siya lalabas na panalo. And honestly, kung si Kobe ang naglabas ng statement na ganito after a threat from Kylene's side, people would call it damage control. So bakit iba ang basa pag babae? Not saying guilty siya, but I'm also not pretending this move is purely noble. PR is PR and this smells like it. Lalabas kasi lahat ng baho niya, di lang sa relationships, kundi lahat ng friendship na sinira niya. I don't get why people tag her as girl's girl, cause she's never that. Si Bianca nga, kinaibigan siya, ending tinuklaw niya, tapos siya pa todo paawa. Kaya si B pa nabash nung time nila ni Miguel. Di na masyadong mabili yung pa-victim card niya, kunwari strong independent woman na lang kahit practically begging na pabalikin si Kobe. Feeling ko kasi talaga primadora si Starlet Yung tipong siya nagsisimula tapos pag naratrat na biglang silent response na yung ibibigay niya at ng kampo niya. Kaya Starlet Di na siya pumalag kasi sabi ni Jackie sa dulo ng statement niya, ilalabas niya pa lahat ng receipts niya kung di titigil yung pambabash sa family nila. Kylene's decision to prioritize peace, healing, and respect after a breakup is a mature and commendable stance. Breakups, especially when under public scrutiny, can be emotionally taxing, and her choice to handle it with grace reflects emotional intelligence. Sparkle GMA Artist Center's public support also reinforces the importance of giving artists space and dignity during personal transitions. It's a reminder that even public figures are entitled to privacy and compassion. A lovely, smart, and compassionate young lady. That's what a real role model should be. Bless you more, Kylene. You're so lucky to have a parents that bringing you up with high spirit. I raised my eyebrows when her ex-mom meddled with the issue indirectly but obviously hates Kai apparently for assaulting her son. But now, two mothers claiming their sons were assaulted is something and makes me question Kai's credibility over the issues. There are two reasons for being quiet. It's admitting you are at fault and just want to shut up because you exposed or you legitimately wanted peace, then add more fuel to the fire. I admire Kylene for choosing peace over drama. It takes strength and grace to stay respectful even when things get tough. Wishing her continued growth and happiness. She deserves it. Nakakahiya naman yung nag-take time para mag-sona tapos in the end, yung tinitrigger na mag-react completely deadma. Ang daming sinabi against her but she didn't even bother to correct them because she's choosing her peace. It is about time ito ay issue of two consenting adults who simply fell in love but sadly had a fallout na hindi naman bago na sa entertainment industry. Whoever is at fault no longer matters. They have parted ways and so be it. Turn on the new chapter. Sabi nga, silent water runs deep. Just go on with your projects. My respect.